Okay, so here's how to transfer a ticket to a friend or colleague with using Stubhub. So according to support stubhub.com, which is their official website, is that you need first to go to your orders. Look at your details to see how the tickets were delivered to you. So there are actually three methods. What were the methods that were given to you. So if it is mobile transfer tickets, what you should need to do is that when they're ready, accept the ticket, transfer them to the recipient. So see accept your mobile transfer tickets, which you can see basically in support.stubhub.com. So here is another quick guide of how to do it. So in your StubHub account, of course, is that you can see the transfer ticket if it is without. So after that, you need to go to sell, then put on the label or event that you want to sell your tickets on, then tap on mobile transfer and confirm the details whether you want to transfer it right now or transfer it later. That's it. You also have mobile tickets for MLB tickets or mobile ticket is that you should use the Ballpark app. See the instructions in getting your MLB tickets bought on StubHub. So basically, if you really want a support, is that you just need to go to the StubHub.com. The support stubhub.com.